Hello YouTube, anyways today's video is going to be a how-to slash Easter themed DIY. So what you are going to need, supplies that you will need are going to be bubbles, scissors, and yarn, and a pipe cleaner. And you need one pipe cleaner per bubbles, and markers, and some glitter glue. So anyways, what you are going to do, and some yarn or pom-poms, and glue if you do yarn or pom-poms. You don't need glue actually for the yarn. Okay, now we're going to take the pipe cleaner and kind of tie it around the top neck part like of the bubbles. Oops, I didn't mean for that to fall. And then that's what we are going to do. I'm sorry this has to be a voiceover. It's because whenever I was filming, it did not get recorded, the audio. So now we are tying the bubbles together, twisting the pipe cleaner. This is also Easter, if I didn't mention Easter themed that earlier. So now we're trying to get bunny ears. So now we are making the ear shape and twisting it to the side. And just keep twisting it until you get your shape that you want. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take it, make a little like corner thing, like ear shape for bunny, and then we're going to twist it. And now we're just going to play around with the ears until you get the shape that you desire on there. So yeah, just keep playing around with it. I'm sorry that this has to be a voiceover, and I already posted it, so sorry if you saw that one. I took it down, and I'm going to repost this video. So if you made it this far, subscribe, please, and thank you. So anyways, now we're going to take the string that we are going to use, has the bunny tail, and we're just going to tie it around the thing. And now we're tying it around the thing now. And then we're just, or you can also use pom-poms, little like pom-poms things. But right now we're just going to use the string and tie it around a few times until you get tell like shape or whatever you want like shape on there. Then we're going to take scissors and trim it here in a minute or second, or a few seconds, and not minutes. So now we're taking the scissors to trim it with. So now we are going to take our marker and draw on some eyes. So we're going to draw some eyes, and we're also going to get our glitter glue as well. So now we're going to go ahead and draw on our eyes for the bunny. Next, we are going to be taking our glitter glue and be drawing a nose in the color orange with the orange glitter glue. You can get the orange glitter glue at the dollar store, and also the bubbles you can get at the dollar store as well. Or the Dollar Tree, Now we're taking our red and we're going to draw a mouth with the red. So if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. I'm sorry that this is a voiceover instead of like with me saying my voice with it, because like I filmed it and didn't realize it wasn't recording the sound or whatever I was filming it, so I'm sorry about that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you don't already like and subscribe, and thank you so much if you do like and subscribe. I really appreciate you if you subscribe. Even if you don't, even if you just watch this video, I also appreciate you. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully you have a great Easter if you celebrate Easter, and if you don't, just happy day, happy early Easter, or if you're watching this on Easter, happy Easter. So hopefully this gives you good DIY ideas. Thank you for watching.